Hello guys, today we will make delicious apple crisp. Let's go. Take 5 apples. Wash it off. Peel all the apples. Cut each apple in 4 parts. Cut each piece in smaller slices. So apples are cut down. Now let's move on to the next step.
Here we are to make apple crisp. Let's start. And let's get all the ingredients. First, add 2.5 cups of flour. Add 1 cup of dried oatmeal. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add a little bit of salt for a tiny bit of flavor. Now mix it. That's not good enough. Mix it better. Mix it more. Melt 3 sticks or 24 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Microwave in 30-second intervals until it melts. Pour in the butter. Now mix really well. Mix super well. Mix even more. Take out a 9 by 12 inch pan. Add in the chopped apples from earlier. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix in 4 tablespoons of flour. Mix it really well. Add half a cup of sugar. Mix it in thoroughly. Here, we are preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now put the mixture from earlier on top. Now put the pan in the oven when it's done preheating. And now, put the timer for 45 minutes. Now, I'm taking the pan out of the oven to eat the yummy yummy apple crisp. But make sure to use protective gloves, otherwise your hands will burn. It looks so delicious, but wait a few minutes before eating.
Cheers. Yummy in my tummy.